In this video, we are going to see how to alter/modify the existing company. In the same way, how to delete a company. In the last video, we have seen how to select or load the existing company. In the same way, we have seen regarding about the how to shut the company, right? Okay, right now let's see the first one, that is altering the existing company. Altering/modifying existing company. Sometimes we need to change some of the company information which is already created by the user. Suppose if we have to do some changes in the company information, maybe the email ID or maybe the address or any other information. In that case, we can go to the alter option and later we can make the changes. We can alter, we can modify or we can change as per the requirements of the company. Down we have the procedure. For this, again we have to begin from the gateway of Tally. From the gateway of Tally, we have to make use of the shortcut key, that will be Alt and function key F3. This will take us to company info menu. Once we press this particular keys, then company info menu will be displayed. In that menu, we have the alter option. Either we can click on the alter option or else we can make use of a shortcut key, that will be the letter A. Once we click on the alter option, again we have to select the company to be altered from the list of companies. We may be having list of companies, but we have to choose or we have to select that particular company. After selecting the company, then press the enter key. Immediately what happens? There comes out with a window or there comes out with a screen, that will be company alteration window or the screen will appear. Later make the changes, required changes onto the screen, and at the end there comes out with the dialog box, that will be the accept dialog box. In that we have to press the option, that is S option, or else we can press the key, that will be Y from the keyboard. Before I just proceed with the next slide, even in case of alter company, suppose if we have to provide the password for the Tally Vault, or suppose if we have to enable the security control for a company. In that case, we have to provide username and we have to set the password for the admin. Not only this one, suppose if we have to enable the Tally audit features, in that case also we go for the alter company itself. The next one is regarding about how to delete a company. When we go for deleting a company in Tally, this will remove the complete information of the company from the hard disk. And even all the directories, files which are connected with the company will be permanently, it will be deleted, it will be removed. This information cannot be reserved. This information cannot be kept aside. For that sake, we have to be very careful at the time of deleting a company. Down we have a procedure, how to delete a company. In case of Tally, we don't have any delete option. Suppose if we have to delete a company or any other master or any other head, it can be a ledger account or it can be a stock item. In that case, we go for the alter itself. Via the alter itself, we have to delete. Down we have the path. Here comes out with the gateway of Tally. We have to begin from the gateway of Tally. Then later we have to press the shortcut key. That will be a combination key, Alt and function key F3. This will take us to company info menu. Company info menu will appear. There we have to select or there we have to click on alter option. Just click on alter option. Then later we have to press the key, that will be Alt plus D. D indicates here delete. Then it will ask you whether you want to delete or no. Then you'll be having two options, yes or no. Then press Y from the keyboard. Now we will see the practical part of how to alter a company and how to delete a company. Now let's go back to Tally. In the last video we have seen that we have created two different companies. One was BCom, the other one was ABC, right? And here we are going to alter for the company ABC, and in the same way we are going to delete the company ABC. Right now we are in the gateway of Tally, correct? And the ABC company is already opened. We can see onto the left hand side, correct? Just press here Alt and function key F3. This will take us to company info menu, and here comes out with the option alter. And we can see here the letter A is in red color, correct? Just click on this one, right? And here we can see the list of companies. Then select for ABC. Correct. And here we can see company alteration screen or the window is opened, right? And here what we will do, I just provide the address for this one, RC Nagar, then Belgaum, correct, then state Karnataka. Okay, this is enough. We have done the modifications, we have done the changes, correct? Then at the end we can see here comes out with the dialog box that will be accept question mark. Then press Y from the keyboard, or just click on S, right? This is altered. Okay, I'll be back here. Just press here escape, once again escape, and once again escape. We will be back to the gateway of Tally. Okay, we have seen how to alter a company. Right now we have to delete a company. Again the same procedure from the gateway of Tally, Alt and function key F3. Can we see here any delete option? Delete option is not available. Once the company info menu will appear, just go back to alter, right? Then here select for the company ABC. Then here we have to make use of the shortcut key that will be Alt and D. And here comes out with the dialog box that is delete question mark, then yes or no, right? And you can just click on yes. Are you sure? Again yes. The particular company is deleted. Right now we have just only one company. I just select here that company, that is only BCom company is available. Here we can see in Tally data folder the particular folder of ABC, and even the supporting files, everything is deleted from the data folder. And we have seen in today's video regarding about how to alter and delete a company. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel. The same way in the next video we are going to see the accounting data and the masters.